In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed image in Outlook Mail. By the end, you'll know how to place an image directly inside your email body so it displays as part of the message rather than as a separate attachment. This is perfect for logos, banners, screenshots, or any visual you want readers to see immediately. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. Look for the official Microsoft Outlook website in the results and click through to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, click the New Mail button to begin composing a message. This opens a new message pane. Click inside the main message box so your cursor is active where you want the image to appear. It's a good idea to type a line or two of context first, like a greeting or a short introduction, so the image sits in the right place within your message. At the top of the Compose window, find the Insert option in the toolbar and click it. From the Insert menu, choose Pictures. Depending on your version, you may see options like Inserting from your device or Online sources. For embedding an image you already have, choose the option for your device. This ensures the image is placed in line, right in the body of your email. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select the picture you want, and confirm to insert it. You should now see the image appear inside your email draft. Click the image to reveal Resize handles. You can drag the corners to scale it proportionally, and you can drag it to reposition if needed. Keep your image size reasonable so the email loads quickly for recipients. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If the image looks too large, reduce the dimensions rather than relying on the email client to shrink it. For clarity and accessibility, consider adding a brief description in your text near the image, such as a caption, so readers understand what they're seeing even if images are blocked by their email settings. After placing the image, continue composing your message as usual. Add your subject line, recipients, and any additional text you need. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, open Outlook, start a new message, click into the message box, use Insert, choose Pictures, and select the image from your files. Your picture is now embedded directly in your email content and ready to send.